Hello, I'm your Kavya.
2,000 years later.
After so many days, welcome back. Ever you felt these experiences? Staring up in the menu card but couldn't able to decide what to order. Syllabus is piling up and couldn't able to decide what to study. So much information in the brain but couldn't able to make a perfect choice. You know why this is happening? Because
You are having a disease.
yes, disease. But the prescription is with me. So watch till the end. Then only you will get to know. This disease is analysis paralysis. Let's know what it is. It is having a too much choices and too much information in our brain, leaving us feel overwhelmed and anxious. It's a never ending.
Ending loophole of overthinking.
It is a feel of knowing each and every nook and corner and want to cover complete 360 degree. Deep diving in everything makes us feel anxious and a feel of knowing nothing. Every time dwelling on the same again and again and feeling of incompetence. We want everything to be known, even the unknown. A complete preparedness and a complete blueprint of the future we want to know. To be honest, we want to be expert in everything. Let's know how to deal with this. First of all, take a long breath and listen to me. Take action, action, action. Find the reason why you started thinking. To do something, to make, to break something, right? That's why you started thinking. But this overthinking, making you think the same thing at last, leaving you nowhere. If action isn't taken, then the complete thoughts that were in your brain are not fruitful. Don't think a lot. What will be wrong, what will be right. Because till this time you did that. You sorted out everything, and this will definitely be right.
From now, do subscribe because the videos will be regular from now.